This is the baby called Justice. A long time ago, there was the wisest king there ever was, whose name was King Solomon. And there were two women that came to him, and they said, one of our babies died in the night, one of our babies is still alive. And the two mothers, they argued about whose baby the baby was. To which the mothers are demanding justice. To which the king says, bring me the child. Give me a knife, we will cut the baby down the middle, give half to one woman, give half to the other woman. To which one woman says, let her have the child. To which the king says, I now know who the real mother is. I see Christians that are so passionate on the right side of the baby, then I'll see people on the left, and they'll say, I'm not ashamed to tell you, I'm a one-issue person. And what they do not realize is that when you become a one-issue person, you cut the baby down the middle, and you have killed the baby. And what we've got is a division where it's almost as if our enemy has gotten us so obsessed on one side or the other side that our culture can't listen to us, because when you push one side or the other, you kill the baby. I don't want you to be a one-issue person. I want you to be a justice person.